hard work. It's hard to explain.
Racing rally is a lot different than any other type of racing that I've been involved in.
You know, the drivers don't give an inch, and if the competition is that tight, that you have to have a great platform.
The Dakar Challenge brings more out of any car than any other race organization does all year.
Reliability is the most important in these types of races. It's an endurance race.
Definitely taxing on the body and on the cars. With your Can-Am X3, those are always the best, and they always keep going every single day.
This is not a full prototype car with super special components. We are using Can-Am original parts.
Stock motor, stock transmission, stock front drives, stock uprights, stock axles.
É muito desgastante para a máquina, então por isso que o nosso Can-Am Maverick X3 tem que estar muito bem desenvolvido. São muitos quilômetros.
It's such a statement that if you want a vehicle that's durable and strong and capable, just get in and drive one for yourself and you'll see.